next generation biomass energy. This RPPWS and the green coal is our product name. And please see this side, and this side my text for this presentation. First, our company at the center in Tokyo establishment, and the main operations are doing the next generation type solid fuel manufacture and R&D of brand name new type, which are called green coal. This solid fuel is used instead of coal for the boiler in the thermal power plant in Japan. Now that will be explained to you. This the content our main business. And this project, our project is from Japanese government, some government. Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Ministry of Trade and Industry, Ministry of Environment, Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry, and Fisheries. These operations have received support of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the of Environment, the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry, and the Ministry of Agriculture, Forest and Fisheries of Japan. And Japan government accepted this technology in this year. This solid fuel is called green coal. Yes. This content is our green coal effective raw material production method or product which promotes low carbon negotiation strategies and power company. This is our biomass solid fuel composition. This green coal is manufactured as raw material of waste agriculture biomass. And the production technology of the solid fuel is approved as low carbon promotion technology from the Japanese government. The meaning of low carbon is using the raw material of biomass and reducing emission of carbon dioxide. And it is for keeping about high caloric value. Our products over 85% biomass material, under 50% plastics. Maybe yesterday presentation similar station.
If there be a need, can the plastics go more than 15%? If there is a need, if there is a situation, can you increase the plastic content to more than 15%?
But this part is our technology, and we have a patent. Yes, under 50%. Yes. Because you know, if using a high percentage plastics, dioxin problem. Yeah. And composition of this solid fuel using less than 8% of raw material of biomass like this. Of course, we can also use raw material of biomass 100%. And plastics other than polyvinyl chloride, which is also the big cause of generating of dioxin, are used to the remaining 50% or less. This plastic does the role of the binder, which connects the raw material of biomass. Even if a plastic is not used for green coal, it's a technology in which solid fuel keeping calorie can be manufactured. This graph compares composition of green coal and RDF. Usually RDF, usually RDF has a huge ratio of the biomass, 40 to 50%. However, green coal control rate of plastic to 50% or less, and realize low carbonation. If a plastic is burned, carbon dioxide will newly be emitted. This is kind also to boiler and protect equipment from production. Our technology, as I said, this part are usually using 50 to 60%. This fuel concept, we want to reduce CO2 when using solid fuel. Our technology is percentage. And also this green coal can be manufactured only by waste agricultural biomass, waste, for example, wood, paper, plastics, can be used for it. By doing so, reduction of waste and dumping site can be used during the long term. This picture means this one is waste agricultural biomass, and we can use choose material, for example, plastics, paper, wood, furniture wood, for example. Also using. After manufacturing green coal of CO2 reduction at the high calorific value. This one is our solid fuel raw material. It all can be changed into green coal. So many, for example, cassava produced in Cambodia. This all content we can use to green coal. For example, municipal solid waste after segregation and plastics. These plastics include bioplastics, include agricultural biomass, paper, bagasse, palm oil waste, furniture produced, bamboo, non-edible plants, corn. This graph is the quantity of the carbon dioxide emitted when burning each fuel, 1 ton. Also, for fossil fuel, our solid fuel is very cold. This graph is fossil fuel, and these two graph are our products, green coal are that way. So it was invented in Japan, broke away from the Kyoto Protocol. However, Japan has started the bilateral credit. So it was, Japanese government contract MOU signing Mongolia, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, Kenya, Maldives, Vietnam, Laos, Laopedia, Indonesia. This Japanese government organized new carbon credit system. And this is a table which compares the future of green coal and RDF. This result is a figure currently used officially in Japan. The calorie in green coal 25 gigajoule per ton. Compared with it, RDF 14 gigajoule per ton. Japanese data. And also green coal can do export and import. Appearance RDF is waste and cannot do export and import on international law. And green coal over smell and sharp is very stable. It means being very easy to handle. This part. But RDF is very smell and very soft. And green coal acquires the patent and the trademark. However, RDF cannot acquire a patent. The rate of energy recovery of green coal is past 87%. Compared with RDF is only 60%. Since this number was too good initially for environment, calculated effectively, but calculation was a correct answer. Green coal is a very excellent fuel and understands that it is fuel good also for environment. You can see this figure, this part, our products is 0.896. Is same figure, but RDF emission of 1.142 CO2. And this is a factory which is manufacturing green coal in Japan. It is in Hiroshima Prefecture. And now we have received and renewed the support from the Ministry of Environment in Japan. Only this factory is manufacturing green coal now. And it is manufacturing from 2005. Production capacity is large size equipment in 26,000 tons in every year. This picture is a factory. This factory inside this factory manufacture plants. After made storage supplied to boiler company as a paper company in Japan. This is a reduction effect of the carbon dioxide of green coal, 21,000 tons, which the factory in Hiroshima produced. We can reduce 40,000 450 tons of carbon dioxide in 1 year. This figure. We can reduce CO2. This is crude oil substitution effect. This figure effect. This is last Cambodia this workshop and is the data which I announced. Please look at this this graph. Also, the machine with which we provide you have a machine of various scale. What do you think seeing this amount of money, this debt part? What do you think seeing this? Sorry, maybe I will clearly think that it is high. This is that participated in the workshop of UNEP, and it was found Japan machine is very, very expensive. However, it is very difficult to sell high machinery in other countries. In this workshop, if a machine needed for the country was not provided, it turns out that an operation does not expand. For us, choose discovery was the solution for the very big problem. This workshop has a very big meaning for us. We analyzed the situation of UNEP and many countries, and I think that it is expansion of our operation to provide the technology with the partner required. And it can contribute to reduction of greenhouse gas greatly all over the world. We are grateful of this workshop. And today, I want to announcement firstly in this workshop about new project in Japan. We started last month the Fukushima project. We calling Fukushima project, which is a part of energy policy of Japan in Fukushima prefecture. Maybe everyone has had keyword Fukushima prefecture, right? Yes, probably it is not a good image. However, the government, Japanese government, and we cooperated and decided to start a renewable energy operation in Fukushima prefecture, which many problems generated until now. This is a project with the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry of Japan. And the Fukushima prefecture, Tamura City, are fully supporting to our project. And choose operations sent to the full world from Fukushima prefecture. It is recovery project. This project purpose, this 6 contents. Firstly, creation of employment in Fukushima prefecture. Secondly, waste agriculture biomass into energy project. Economic revitalization. Emission reduction of carbon dioxide, use reduction of fossil fuel, reduction of waste. These 6 contents are very, very important in Japan now. And Fukushima, profile of Tamura City of Fukushima please remember today. Here is Tokyo. Around 250 to 300 kilometers from Tokyo to Fukushima. This map is Fukushima prefecture map. Dama city here. Population is very low figure, 45,000. Area, Fukushima prefecture, 458. Farmland, 88. Forest, 370. Very, very small town. Dama city also Fukushima prefecture. This Fukushima project business activity mainly two items. Manufacture of RPPWM green coal, also fuel. Manufactured 100,000 tons per year. R&D of new type solid fuel, which power company. And now we discussing with Japanese power plant company about using this fuel for generate boiler. This Fukushima project manufacture 100,000 tons year, and we will be supplied to the power station of electric power company. And Japan can gain to a lot of carbon dioxide credit, and will also activate economy. The manufacture facility of green coal expanded in all parts of Japan after this. And this technology can to be used also in countries other than Japan. For example, say India, Malaysia, Indonesia. This map, this Fukushima project scheme describes our plant. We collect wood and paper, plastics in Fukushima prefecture and other near the prefecture. And also, as I said, this project manufacture 100,000 tons per year. Very many quantity. And this means we need many raw material. But now in Japan now, we cannot collect this figure raw material. But I can we negotiating Malaysia government now import this Fukushima project from Malaysia. For example, palm oil waste. Malaysia have many palm oil waste. Yes. Please remember today this about this Fukushima project. And finally, I want to say about carbon credit. We can provide this carbon credit business, and as I said, Japan government broke away this Kyoto Protocol. This maybe you know this code emission figure, but this one is our products emission figure. This part can be deduction and carbon credit. Understand?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you for your attention. Thank you very much.
Mr. Yamada for very detailed presentations about company, and the machine that you got, Fukushima is very deep ones. You build it around 14 tons of biomass every hours. So it's around 300 tons a day. It's deep one. And is there any other question from the floor? Okay. So lady first.
Please, easy English.
Easy English.
I have a question about the carbon emissions. The carbon
Yes,
tax.
yes.
If you're negotiating with Malaysia on importing their waste, is that factored into the transport carbon emissions, and is that taken into account with the credit system?
Transportation. That means that you buy the raw material and you have to transport by ship. The ship also generates the CO2. And you have calculated?
Yeah, of course, I thinking about carbon emission. And the Japanese government have own credit system, domestic credit system. This scheme can use this credit system. Yes, I'm of course include
Transportation.
Yeah.
My question is first question about the price of the green coal compared to the coals, original coal. How many percent is reduction the price? How many percent of cheaper? That's so green coal is cheaper or compared to the coals?
How much do you sell your green coal?
Before my presentation, question was the unit of coal.
Comparing.
Comparing our products and coal, natural coal, and we selling now more than coal price.
More expensive than coal. Green coal is more expensive than coal.
Because this green coal similar
High caloric value.
Yes, similar as coal.
Okay.
And one point, this solid fuel can reduction CO2. Yes.
And the second
Just a follow-up question, just another line. Per ton, green coal is more expensive, but per megajoule, what is the price? Since green coal has a higher calorific value, is the cost per megajoule cheaper than that of coal?
Of course, we can negotiate.
ヒートバリューの比べると何が安いですか
per dollar, how many kilocalories?
はい。
No, sorry, don't understand.
パータンはとグリーンコールは高いんですね。
同じガソリン量。
はい。でもパーキロカロリーとパーメガジュールはとどちらが高いんですか？
コストはコスト is we are all contents 石炭に合わせて作ってます。だからカロリーバリューもコールは
はいはい。
ジャパニーズ。
はいtranslate. Calorific value のコールは
Let's say
同じに合わせて。
同じぐらい。OK。 Okay, I'll translate it. It's expensive per ton basis, but when it comes to per megajoule or per kilocalorie basis,
Cheaper.
the prices are almost all the fuels are same.
Yeah, as you can see that because of the calorific value is more or less double higher than normal.
So the strategy behind is that as far as the user is concerned, per megajoule he pays the same price,
Yeah.
but then he gets the benefit of reduced CO2 emissions.
How it come that this green cone with high calorific value, because I see is 85% is the wood in the mixture, 15% is plastic and paper.
Density.
Its density is very high and it's very dry,
Yeah.
and ash content is very low.
Okay.
All the three put together, the calorific value.
My second question is, you say that you are import the raw material to Fukushima, and what do you think about you will be install the manufacturer of the green coast in developing country like Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, and you import the product back to Fukushima? What do you think about that? That's close to the raw material resource.
Ima wato raw material wato import shite Nihon de green coalを作ります。他にwato green coal はインドネシアとベトナムとラオスで作って、このグリーンコールはビエトナムとインドネシアから日本へインポートしています。どちらがいいです？
Yes, I think that about this question. どうしたらいいかな。
You can think about it.
一番いいのはmost best. Local manufacturer. Local. Manufacture in local.
Local.
Yeah. For example, Vietnam, Malaysia, Thailand, Japan, independent manufacturer.
でも使うはどこですか
？On country.
On country. And another reason why they are doing it in Fukushima is because this comes under Fukushima revitalization project. And for revitalization of Fukushima prefecture after the tsunami, the factory has to be set up in Fukushima.
To create the jobs.
To create the jobs, to revitalize the economy. So they necessarily have to put up the factory in Fukushima. But ideal would be raw material and product both are used at the same location.
Yes, as I said, now Malaysia, maybe in the near the future, we install manufacturing plant.
But in Malaysia, the fossil fuel is very, very cheap.
Yeah.
How would you compare in price?
Yeah, but the Malaysia government have waste program.
So will they provide some subsidy?
Yes.
DT information for you.
So what is the scheme? The question is, what is the scheme of subsidy from